sumasayaw si ate, mag-tiktok ka? Karel, come. Don't jump, please. Karel, let's go.
Hawak-hawak na kamay.
No. Yeah. Help me, help me.
Lay pa ka, para habang wala. Lay pa lang pa.
Give me my husband back.
Hindi, parang tumatawid na ganyan.
Lakad. Lakad dapat yun.
Oh, okay. Candice.
Can you go one more, please?
Snowman.
Candice, Karen.
1, 2.
Oh, ate. Let's try one more.
Behave. Candice.
Yeah, but boring. Oh, yeah.
Candice.
You cannot see me.
Padiretso tayo, padiretso.
I'm gonna go.
Wala. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Ala. Tingnan mo muna, tingnan mo. Eh, pakilagay yan sa bag mo.
Again. Funny, funny.
Ay, Karen! Ano? Ah, may darating na sa sakyan. Kunin nyo na yan. May blossom sa loob nito, oh. Wow, ganda naman ang kanyang garden. Don't laugh that hard. And look, oh. Just look, oh.
Look at me, Candace. I saw a statue.
Don't point.
What?
Just look at it.
This is not eating.
It's okay.
I want to play. Because I want to slide.
Ah, look, oh.
I want to slide.
Ka now. Ang dami ko. Stay on the side.
I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying.
Picture tayo.
I'm flying.
Cherry blossom.
Do not enter, ba't siya mismo umenter? Walang steps to. Ay, nakaano ba yung pitsi nyo? Naka-connect. Wala. Check mo nga. Daddy, delikado yan. Mag-rolyo. Ay, wag yun yung hili. Doon tayo sa base.
Saan bang kate?
Oh, doon kayo, yun, medyo, yun, safe yun. Doon kayo. Cherry blossom.
Karel? Ay! Karel, this side, come here. Diba? Pag ganun tayo.
Ate, ah.
This side.
Candice, say welcome to the vlog.
What?
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the bug.
Karel, stand up.
Hi. Where do you think you're going?
I'm
Ito wala na picture. Ha? Kala ko magpipicture. Daddy.
Ano yung damas ng blossom? Ito, ayun.
Pag dito sa harap, para kita rin. Karen, tanggi.
A deer. Yes, deer poop.
Come here.
Ew. Come here. Come here. Yeah, we'll go there.
Come this side, come here. Come here.
Karel.
Oh, faster! It's like running. Oh, okay.
Can you take a picture first? Karen, see here. Karen. Mukha mo lang nakita namin.
Drink first.
Oh, drink first. Candy. Okay, pwede yung sisay.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Punta. Pwede rin dito. Kaso, ang nakalagay dito kay Google Home dun sa harap. Pumunta
Ayun,
ka.
pagka dito tayo, ayun, may madadaan tayong deer na
Madala lang.
malaki.
Sige, pwede rin.
Tapos dito, naka-park yung car. Ayun yung nag-crush yung deer. Tapos parang may installation doon.
Ay, pila yung deal. Mag-cross na tayo dito.
Pwede ba yun? Kaya lang, ba? Pag ano na lang, pag ano.
May mga maraming mga. Oh, let's go. Come here, this side. Yeah, come here. Karen.
Let's go. Ay, stop screaming, anak. Daddy pa ano to? Namumula na yung ilong niya. Para siyang, red nose. Namumula yung ilong niya. Ilagay yung mga... May isang basurahan. Ano? May isang basurahan. Kaya nga, paano yung nililinis ka na? Ang basurahan. I-clip mo muna yan. Pwede ba dyan? Yan. Meron kang hook. Meron kang hook.
Mommy, here's not eating vegetables.
Okay, can you see?
No feeding.
No feeding here. There's a designated area for feeding. The one that we saw. Because you see, if you cross over, there's a lot of poop. Oh.
What?
If you cross or step on that side, walk on that side, you will step on the poop. The deer doesn't cross here. You see this one, this part is clean. And there's a canal.
Mommy, and at far, and the deer just jump over the crossing from the hill.
Mm.
Crossing.
The car will stop if they're crossing.
Crossing. There. He jumps. And he wants to walk. Miss T. Where's Miss T?
Nagbabaw siya. Hindi mo mabaw yung game.
Miss T. Where are you, Miss T? Let's find the rest of them.
Kay Gando sa Sisudo. Kay Dana pala. Kay Dana. Ano ba yan? Kailangan ko yata ng diya. Parang yung amoy niya, daddy, same amoy ng poop ng kalabaw. Kalabaw ba? No? Parang yung bat... Hindi, nung bata kasi ko parang paparehas na nakaamoy,
Pero
nakakaamoy.
at least yung ganyan yung amoy ng poop nila kaysa dun sa kasi pinapakain sa kanila mga biscuit, di ba? So,
Yeah.
process na. Hindi pa rin nagbago.
Wala ba silang grassland dito? Bali, preserve na yun. Kailangan process talaga.
Pero baka pinapakain.
Eh kasi may winter na nga pala. Galing winter, so wala silang...
Baka pinapakain din sila nila.
I have to get my hand.
Oh, dito. Spot.
Picture. Selfie ate.
Yung ganitong pinuntahan natin nung sa Shenzhen, China, si ate hindi rin hindi nag-enjoy.
Yes, of course.
All we can do here. It's a nature walking, nature tripping.
Hi, baby.
Oh, when you grow up, you will appreciate. Don't close your eyes.
Karel, can you look at ate?
Don't eat everything.
Okay.
You're right. What?
What are you saying, Karen?
Baby, don't.
Baby, don't you sleep. We'll sleep later. Oh, you see this, huh? Oh. Candice, water is coming from the mountain? Is this from the mountain?
It's going like
See?
At ihilang.
Toilet.
El doctor ya me dijo que me tome yo uno diario si quiero, pero en el día.